It's for you and me. And it's for anytime it up and down here where the deep blue sea.
Pretty much everyone here can hear.
World.
He texted you. Oh, it's you. It's like,
Oh my god.
ah.
I have an idea. Good man?
Obviously.
Yeah, I think he's around here. He's kind of like murders people in the woods. Yeah, I heard he was 7 dogs. I know. Like,
Did the dog die?
no, the dog lived. He's okay. His name was Peppers. He was a great dog, though. He died of cancer. Yeah, I don't know. It's really sad. But the Pumpkin Man's still out there. They said he escaped from jail in 1973.
He's still alive? That was like 80 years ago.
I think I heard he's immortal. Like, heard he had sightings like 5 years ago.
5 years ago.
Yeah.
How do you think he became immortal?
I think it's all the souls he ate. He sometimes just murders orphans on the street, and he just like consumes their soul.
There's one of them named Annie.
Yes.
Oh my god.
How iconic. Poor Annie.
Oh my god, my name is really close to Annie. Antonia. Annie.
I hear he really likes people with names that start with A.
Everyone's going to die.
I know. Sounds so great. I love that.
Maybe this smoke will choke me.
Wait. No. I hear smoke inhalation is like the worst way to go.
Yeah. Maybe I should just shoot myself.
No. Shoot yourself in the head. It doesn't that bad.
Yeah, I was actually talking to my friend about this. We want to have a joint suicide when we're 40.
I mean,
She doesn't want to actually kill herself, and she never wants to die by suicide, so we're going to put our heads together. I'm going to kill myself, and the bullet's going to go through her too, so.
I heard the bullet gets lodged in your brain. I don't think it'll go through your head together.
Oh, it will.
Also, what if you don't die? Then you get like paralyzed for life. And it's
Then I would just keep shooting until I died.
Sounds like a great plan.
Yeah, I mean, I look forward to death.
So the pump. That's it.
What are we looking for?
We're looking for my wallet. I kind of dropped it. Why are you so stupid? I'm sorry.
Oh, what's happening?
I was trying to eat some flowers, you know, and I dropped my wallet. Oh, perfect. Oh.
Oh my god. It's the Pumpkin Man.
Is it?
Oh my god!
I thought you wanted to die.
Not right now!
Oh, well, I guess murder's a bad way to go. I mean, 5 years is usually when murders happen again.
What are we gonna do? We don't have any cell service out here.
I mean, I don't know. Your name starts with A. I mean, I think I'm pretty good.
That is not.
What if you pretended to be someone else? Like, what if your name was Lucy?
Lucy.
Yeah. We can start a new life. Let's move to Canada. Lucy. So, Lucy, how are we going to get out of here? Oh, it's fine. Are you making the old strange old man with his bag?
Die. Whatever.
Lucy, Antonia? What? I thought your name was Lucy now. How could this happen? Curse you, pumpkin murderer! How could you die? I thought her name was Lucy now. You only murdered people with the A names, like Annie and Annalisa. How could this happen? I know what I must do. I must slay the Dark Knight, and then the pumpkin murderer. I must avenge Lucy/Antonia. The pumpkin murderer paid for his crimes and murdered people with A names. There aren't even that many people with A names in the world. Why would he? They're like an endangered species. Like, why would he murder this? What does he have against people with A names? Like, regardless, I will avenge them. Where are you? Fire! Hey, pumpkin man! You killed her!
Yeah. You're in a really uncomfortable position.
Well, that's what you get! You deserve it!
I did it. I did it because of the dog.
What about the dog?
The dog. I killed him and I went crazy.
Why?
I loved that dog.
Why did you kill the dog?
I didn't mean to.
The dog did nothing! What was that dog's name?
Antonia.
This is why you don't name the dog Antonia. Like, who does that? What's the dog name? And this is... People go crazy because they name their dog Antonia. Like, I feel like the name Antonia just has power to make people go crazy. Like, when they kill someone named Antonia, it's a curse. And they gotta go crazy and people escaping them. Wait, who... Have you ever heard this, Allison?
So the pumpkin man killed that one girl named Antonia because the dog's name was Antonia.
What?
I know.
That's so stupid.
I know. But then Stephanie killed
What?
his mother.
Wow.
I know.
Such a tragic story.
I know.
You're really scared of it. Dude, be scared of it. Be scared of it.
He's still alive though. Like,
He died.
what if he wasn't? The story says that he was from 1933.
Yeah, so he's dead. 2016.
Yeah, but the murder was recent.
5 years ago.
Still.
That's enough time for someone to have a heart attack.
Yeah, but he lived until 2011. Like,
Sorry.
he lived from 1933 to 2011. Makes you wonder.
More video of it.